Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on both iPhone and Android devices. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to get this powerful video editing app on your phone in no time. Let's get started. On your Android device, search for Google Play Store. You will find the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now, once you open the Google Play Store, click on the search bar and type CapCut and then press the enter button to see the results. CapCut is usually the first result. Tap on it and then press the install button and the app will start downloading and installing on your device. Once app is installed, click on open button to launch CapCut and begin using it to edit your videos. And to download it on your iPhone, open the App Store. You will find the App Store icon on your home screen. Once the App Store is open, tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type CapCut and then hit enter. CapCut should appear as the first result. Now click on the get button and the app will start downloading. After the app finishes downloading, you will see an open button. Click on it to launch the CapCut app and start editing your videos. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.